the channel. Today we are in Tokyo, in Hibiya, and we are checking out a special event, Art Fair Tokyo. So what is exactly an art fair? It's a very important event for anyone who's part of the art world. For galleries, it's an opportunity to sell artworks and present the artists they're working with. For art enthusiasts and collectors, it's a big chance to get to see such a vast selection of art and maybe discover new artists they're interested in or find the artwork they've been looking for. So let's check out today's Tokyo art scene together. Let's go! This piece caught my attention because it feels like an architecture model. The artist designed the display furniture as an element of the sculpture. The modern feel of it contrasts with the almost ancient-looking decor of the ceramic part, the green color reminiscing of the paint dripping from the side. Which building do you think it could be? I like coming to this event because you get to see over 150 exhibitors, so you get a pretty good view of today's art scene in Tokyo and in Japan, and also with international galleries as well. And especially this event is really nice because you have a part about contemporary art, but you also have a part about classical, traditional Japanese crafts and art, like ceramics, paintings. It's so interesting to experience both contemporary and classical art at the same time. It definitely gives you a new perspective on both. Fragility and timelessness come to mind when looking at this wall sculpture. The shadows of carefully chosen plants are trapped in between sheets of glass. Their presence only evocated. The vegetals disappeared, only leaving their print as a reminder of their time here. The bubbles are witnesses, a chemical reaction created by the combustion of oxygen when the glass was fired. A poetic piece making you wonder about time and nature. That's it. Thank you for tagging along our tour of Art Fair Tokyo today. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know in the comments which artwork caught your attention and especially why. I look forward to discussing it with you in the comments. Make sure to like the video and subscribe if you haven't already to see more art in Japan. You can also check my Instagram for daily updates, and I will see you next time. Matane!